Okay, so today we are tackling this bad boy. This bad boy right here. I genuinely don't know how this gets to the way it looks right now. It's not cute, and I need to do something about it. So I'm gonna head out to the store and take you guys with me to find some different organizational fridge items. So let's do it. Okay, so I just got back in the car from Think Kitchen, and I'm gonna head over to HomeSense and Marshalls to see what they have in terms of organization, bins, and I want to see the price difference and a couple of things that they may not have that Think Kitchen has. I'll mix and match and see what I need. So let me scope out that situation and I'll take you along with me. So we are back from Costco, HomeSense, Think Kitchen, Marshalls, and we got some stuff. Okay, I don't know where to start. Gonna take stuff out. Okay, so I am finally done. I had a major, I did a major cleanup. I did a major emptying of this fridge. I cleaned it. We're having a little difficulty with our bottom level, our bottom drawer, which sucks because I lost a lot of space over there. So I had to opt out of using that drawer. I got to call another technician. We've been having major problems. Anyway, got lettuce in here, blueberries and raspberries in those containers, Then we've got cleaned celery, cleaned grapes, oranges, some drinks, some other salsas and stuff. And then we've got extra lettuce and broccoli over here, carrots, one of my boyfriend's lunches, and some larger items here. In this drawer, I left all the extra eggs because I do a large meal prepping of egg bites for him for during the week. And then in here, we have the meats and cheeses. I could show you this too. I like made my own makeshift egg container kind of thing to really make them all fit. So this drawer would have been so great to use for like oranges and extra lemons and avocados and stuff. I'm kind of thinking I can use this a little bit maybe for thin stuff, but maybe I just won't use it at all right now. And then here I have some extra little condiments and little extra packets, soy sauce, hummus, etc. So it's definitely a heck of a lot better than it was when I first started, and I feel so much better.